Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable and use quick launch in Oneplus 9RT smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone updates. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the settings of the phone, then choose convenience tools from the list. Then choose quick launch. So you can edit the quick launch, click on the icons. So you can personalize any functions or you can choose any other apps. You can directly enable some applications. So I will set Chrome and choose camera for this, and choose stopwatch for that, then click tick mark. Now you can come back to the home screen, then I lock the screen. When I open with the fingerprint, you need to press and hold some time, it will access the quick launch. You can open directly. So that's all guys, I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.